The MiG-41, Russia's highly anticipated next-generation fighter jet, has sparked global interest due to its ambitious capabilities. Designed as the successor to the MiG-31 Foxhound, the MiG-41 aims to be the fastest and most advanced interceptor in history, potentially reaching speeds of Mach 4 to 5. This would make it the world's first operational hypersonic fighter, capable of intercepting enemy aircraft and missiles at unprecedented speeds. Russia's vast airspace, particularly in the Arctic, demands an advanced interceptor that can neutralize high-speed threats before they reach Russian territory. The MiG-31, despite its impressive speed and long-range capabilities, is aging and lacks the stealth and technological advancements required for modern warfare. The MiG-41 is expected to address these shortcomings by incorporating advanced stealth technology, cutting-edge avionics, and next-generation weapon systems. One of the most striking aspects of the MiG-41 project is its rumored ability to engage in near-space operations. Russian defense sources have suggested that the aircraft could be capable of flying at extremely high altitudes, giving it the ability to track and engage satellites, drones, and high-altitude reconnaissance aircraft. If equipped with anti-satellite weapons, the MiG-41 could serve as a major asset in space-based warfare, a concept that is becoming increasingly relevant in modern military strategy. Stealth technology is another key focus of the MiG-41's design. Unlike the MiG-31, which has a large radar cross-section and is easily detectable, the MiG-41 is expected to feature radar-absorbing materials and an overall design that reduces its visibility to enemy detection systems. This would allow it to operate in contested airspace without being easily tracked by enemy radars. Weapon systems on the MiG-41 are expected to include next-generation hypersonic missiles capable of hitting targets at extreme ranges. Russia has already demonstrated its capabilities in hypersonic weapons development, with missiles like the Kinjal, and similar technology could be integrated into the MiG-41. Reports have also suggested that the aircraft might be equipped with laser-based defense systems, capable of intercepting incoming missiles in mid-air. The existence of the MiG-41 project is supported by multiple statements from Russian defense officials and representatives from the Mikoyan Design Bureau. In 2018, MiG representatives confirmed that work was underway on a new long-range interceptor. In 2020, MiG CEO Ilya Tarasenko stated that the aircraft was in the design phase and would enter production in the coming years. However, no official prototype has been publicly revealed, and the exact timeline for its first flight remains uncertain. Challenges surrounding the MiG-41's development include financial constraints, technological hurdles, and geopolitical pressures. Russia's defense budget has been heavily impacted by economic sanctions and ongoing military operations, making it difficult to allocate sufficient resources to ambitious projects like the MiG-41. Additionally, developing a hypersonic stealth fighter with advanced AI-assisted avionics is a complex and costly process that could delay the aircraft's introduction beyond its intended timeline. If the MiG-41 reaches operational status, it could significantly shift the balance of air power, forcing NATO and the United States to accelerate the development of their own next-generation fighters. The Pentagon has already hinted at new high-speed interceptors as part of future defense strategies, possibly in response to Russian advancements in hypersonic technology. The MiG-41 represents an ambitious leap forward in military aviation. If Russia succeeds in developing it as planned, it could become the fastest and most capable interceptor ever built, capable of engaging hypersonic threats and operating in near-space environments. However, the project still faces major challenges, and its final form remains uncertain. Whether it becomes a groundbreaking reality or remains an unrealized vision, the MiG-41 has already sent a strong message to the world about the future of air combat. Another impressive Russian fighter jet is the Sukhoi S-70. The Sukhoi S-70 is a state-of-the-art stealth unmanned combat aerial vehicle meticulously engineered to operate in tandem with Russia's formidable Su-57 fighter jets. This advanced integration significantly amplifies their combined combat effectiveness through sophisticated network-centric operations. Leveraging cutting-edge stealth technology, the S-70 is ingeniously designed to maintain an exceptionally low radar cross-section, enabling it to remain virtually undetected while executing high-risk missions. These missions encompass a wide range of critical operations, including but not limited to intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance tasks, as well as precision air-to-ground strike capabilities. In its role as an autonomous wingman for the Su-57, the S-70 dramatically extends the fighter jet's operational reach and situational awareness. Furthermore, the S-70's ability to carry and deploy a diverse array of munitions significantly augments the strike capabilities of the manned-unmanned teaming concept, providing commanders with increased tactical flexibility and force multiplication effects. UMPK glide bombs represent a significant advancement in Russia's air-to-ground munitions technology, showcasing the country's commitment to developing sophisticated precision-guided weapons. These state-of-the-art bombs are meticulously engineered to dramatically extend the range and enhance the accuracy of airstrikes, allowing Russian aircraft to deploy them from considerable distances while still maintaining remarkable precision. This capability is particularly crucial in modern warfare scenarios, where the ability to strike targets accurately from afar can be a decisive factor. The UMPK system's innovative design incorporates advanced guidance mechanisms and aerodynamic features that enable the bombs to glide towards their targets with unprecedented accuracy. This extended range not only enhances the lethality of aerial bombardments, but also significantly reduces the exposure of Russian aircraft to enemy air defense systems. Initially developed for medium-altitude long-endurance operations, the Grom UCAV has undergone design adjustments to prioritize speed over stealth. Originally conceived to carry significant payloads and potentially control other drones in combat, the Grom's role has shifted toward delivering rapid, decisive strikes from medium altitudes. This change in focus aligns with Russia's evolving combat strategy, emphasizing quick, high-impact engagements over prolonged missions. The Grom remains a vital component in Russia's UCAV fleet, offering operational flexibility and firepower. Let's also highlight some of the most advanced Russian combat drones. The Orlan 30 marks a substantial advancement in Russia's unmanned aerial reconnaissance capabilities, representing a significant evolution from its predecessors in the Orlan series. This cutting-edge UAV incorporates state-of-the-art surveillance technology and boasts an impressively extended operational range, pushing the boundaries of what was previously achievable in aerial reconnaissance missions. The Orlan 30's sophisticated systems are meticulously designed for a multitude of critical tasks, including high-resolution intelligence gathering, precise target acquisition, and real-time battlefield monitoring. In the realm of intelligence gathering, the Orlan 30 utilizes advanced sensors and imaging systems to collect detailed information about enemy positions, movements, and assets. Its target acquisition capabilities are equally impressive, employing sophisticated algorithms to identify and track potential threats with remarkable accuracy. The Lancet 3 stands out as an exceptionally effective loitering munition, meticulously engineered to autonomously identify and neutralize enemy targets with remarkable precision. This advanced drone system boasts significant improvements in speed, operational range, and destructive capability, positioning it at the forefront of modern warfare technology. In comparison to its Western counterparts, such as the Switchblade 600, the Lancet 3 demonstrates superior performance across a wide spectrum of both offensive and defensive scenarios, showcasing Russia's commitment to pushing the boundaries of unmanned combat systems. One of the Lancet 3's most notable features is its enhanced warhead, which, coupled with an extended operational range, significantly broadens its tactical versatility on the battlefield. This formidable combination enables the Lancet 3 to effectively engage and neutralize a diverse array of targets, from heavily armored vehicles to other airborne drones, making it an invaluable asset in modern combat situations. Thanks for watching, and make sure to hit the like button, subscribe, and put notifications on to stay updated on everything related to AI, robotics, and military technology.